Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial, and today we will talk about the FormIt. So as you many people already used 2020 Revit, you get on the add-ons you get about the FormIt. So you have the plugin inside in Revit, FormIt plugin. So if you will check it, what we get here, we can convert airfare model to the FormIt, we can convert even the SketchUp file to the FormIt, and we can import our FormIt model to the Revit. And you will ask the reason question why we should use the FormIt and what can do the FormIt. And today it will be like a fast overview what can do the FormIt. If I will go, for example, to the FormIt project, I did it in FormIt. You can import from even SketchUp your already done model, and we can make here, for example, some concept before we will place it inside to the Revit. Of course, it looks like I not will teach you how you can draw it, because it looks like pretty simple on the SketchUp. You have extrusion, you're doing extrusion, you're applying some texture here, and that's it. It's really same here, not any difference, and I didn't say like it's some special. So you can create whatever you want, and you will starting like in Revit from some box, or you just starting, for example, here is my box, sorry, and you starting from the lines, and until you not close your lines, you cannot do your surface. For example, I finish it, so here is my first surface, I can extrude it and whatever you want. So for example, the right click and you're gonna see it's 1 meter, okay, so it's pretty same. If you wanna apply some materials, you're going to the materials, you will find your for example, I wanna here use the same materials as here, and I can apply it here. So it's pretty same. I not will introduce you on this thing. So, but you will ask the reason question. What's different? First, this is free. It's free, but if you are not using, for example, collaboration mode, yes, you can use collaboration mode, and you can work in one model with your friends. This is a difference between Revit, I mean the FormIt and the SketchUp. If I will go, for example, to the this is what I did. You can see by time what I did right on this view. And also we can this is my sketch, we can go to the collaboration mode. So let's start the collaboration mode. Let's say okay, start the session. Just give the to FormIt a few seconds. So now yes, we are working on the collaboration mode. So, and this really cool feature, because you can work with your friends. This is cool. Also, what we have here, of course, we have the plugins. Plugin manager, you can see here. This is not something new, because in SketchUp we have this. It's not something special. But something special here, this button. If you will go here, you will find already, you already know this icon, you already know this naming. This is Dynamo. So we can use in FormIt Dynamo. What you have to learn in Revit by Dynamo, you can do is here right in your FormIt. Let's say I have already here some columns. I can place it by this way. I already have, for example, here the stairs. I can create it, and if I don't like it, I can open up and I can go to the edit in the Dynamo, and Dynamo will automatically open. You will find here for example, this is about my columns. Let's say I want to make like 20 columns, and maybe count maybe 3. So, and it's automatically will do in your project. So this is really cool, because I didn't see any program, even SketchUp cannot do that thing, but now you can use Dynamo inside in Revit. So this is inside FormIt. This is really cool. Let's say we can want to change overall height, we will change it. Oh, it's too much, let's make it a bit smaller, maybe like this, and overall height we will do like this. Let's go back. Now we need to go again to the FormIt, and as you can see, it was changed. I changed my riser and it was changed. You should again do that, or you should reload it. It's only up to you. Just up there, you can rotate it here, so you can do whatever you want. It's really cool, you should try it. Of course, after that, when you will already finish your model, let's say this is our building, you already finish it, you can export it to the Revit. So just export locally. I prefer use to XM file. This is a file for the FormIt. this is type of the format files. So let's export this type of the file, and I'll say this is test1. As always, I'm doing that, test1, and let's say okay. So whenever you will go to the Revit, you should open up here and import format to the Revit. So let's do it. Let's make it like that. You will find here the test. Let's make the open. Give it a few seconds, and you will get really great structure, which is you can use in Revit. Just a few seconds, and we will back. So our model is here, and of course we can change something. For example, I will choose this model, and if I will go to 3D, let's go to 3D. Yeah, this is my model. As you can see, it's separate parts by mass, it's messing. Separate part walls, separate part roof, and that's it. So we can do whatever we want in our format and export it here. Even this strange thing is already here. What about the realistic model? So let's go to the realistic. Yeah, the texture is everything perfect, it's here. So if you need to create, for example, your messing model to, for example, use after that, you wanna create your roof and you wanna place it here. Let's try it. So yes, we can. Yes, we can do that. This is really cool. Oh, it's really. What about if I will change facing to the interior? It will, yes. Okay, so by this way you can create, for example, fast your plan. Actually, this is cool for the some conceptual thing when you still didn't know what you will do, and for example when you're still making some changes for the conceptual thing. It's really cool. And of course you can make some here the simple renders, but we are not talking about renders, we are talking about the architecture. Renders, it's already on the finish. So you can make here some analytical things like the sun direction, sun path. You can check everything like in Revit, but here it's much easier because you can work in this program like in SketchUp. I think all the people who working in architecture, like an architecture, they know what is that SketchUp, and for what they need it. So I think this was a fast review. What is that what is that format, how to get it. All the links I will leave before. If you are interested in format and if you are interested how to create concept and export it to the Revit, I will do the big tutorial about that. So we will start from the some sketches and we will finish till the documentation. For now it's I think finish. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon. To support my channel, you can go to Gumroad, check that my store. There you can find bundle of this Dynamo scripts, or you can buy 2-story complete house or even the 2-story residential classic house. By this way you supporting my channel and you making me happy to creating the new videos for you guys. And that's it from today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my social media, leave some comments for this video and give some like, and see you next time.